I'm trying to find out what is causing this gap.
2 hours later.
I really Hey guys, Roybling here with another video, and today I want to find out what's pretty much causing this gap right here. I see that this screw is missing, but I'm gonna just take off the bumper completely and then see what's going on with the bracket underneath, because on some sides it's really bad. Like this corner here, it's really bad. And I see they put two-side tape right here, which this is total madness. So I'm going to take off the back bumper, and then the screws you can't see, they're hidden. So we have to remove this clip right here. One screw is behind that, one is right there. Pull this cover back, take out the brake lights. We have to remove the brake light to unhitch a bumper from underneath there. For your car, you probably have screws under here. So normally here's one and one down there. There should be another one up here. So there's 3 screws on the inside here. Can't show it to you guys. They're all 8 nuts. So you just need your ratchet angle to remove them. Pull it away, then you have 1 screw up under here that holds this. Same thing for the other side. Underneath, you should have I think around 7 screws or 6 from this corner here. Come straight around down there, that hole. So we're gonna just remove them to take off the bumper completely. So now that we take out the clip, as you can see, this is a T20, so we'll definitely need a T20 to pull this. We're looking for 3 8 nuts. 1, 2, 3. Remove this first. Just unclip it. Squeeze here. Just get it all apart and just take it out. Now that the screws are removed, we could just gently take it out. Bam, done. 1 out. All right, so both tail lights are out. All right, this has to unclip over here. So it's like you have to lift up. Well, so I'm definitely have to go underneath, start removing the screws underneath. Remember the screws I was telling you guys underneath here? 3 on this corner, 5 in the center, and 3 on the other corner. So taking this off is not easy as you guys think. It's not just remove the screws and boom, it's off. You have some clips right here, these hooks that are holding. So you have to pry them down and lift the bumper over. It's the same thing you have to do, go right around. Wow. All right, so there it is. Bumper is down completely. Now to find the defaults and see if we could fix it, because there's hella problems. Now to find them. These are the problem why the bumper is not lining up properly. At the top right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're bent up too much. So they're not supposed to be curved up that much. And I noticed there were some problems. Whoever removed the bumper before, they did some serious damage. So right here, out. This one is broken out. And the other side, this one. Don't get me wrong, these are easy to fix. These are pretty much very easy to fix, but still, come on guys. There's too many videos on YouTube just to show you how to take this down and to put it. This is too easy for you to damage it, but it's a lot with patience. It has a lot to do with patience.
A few moments later.
So I found somebody on eBay who's selling the parts that I need, because this piece on my car is melt up and these are bent and damaged. The top's damaged, I could have pretty much used the heat gun and probably fixed the top of here, but it was just better for me to just buy them replacement. These two are under the tail light and they cause the bumper to pivot down. We want the bumper to lock seal under the light. We want all the gaps to be closed, so it was better just to find the kit. I found the kit, and I know he's selling for $75, but I'm gonna make him an offer and see if he bites.
20 minutes later.
Right, so apparently he accepted our offer, $50. He accept, so let's purchase. I'm probably going to get it a few days from now, and then we could just install him in the car and then go, well, we're going to pay about $54 to be exact, because you know, taxes, but at least I'm not paying $75 or $70. That's good, so I save a little bit there. Can't wait to get it now.
Meanwhile,
if you guys remember, we have some damaged parts on the bumper where the brackets are. These are all the tools you'll need to get the job done. These are pretty much items you could pick up at Walmart for hecka cheap. I think this was $5.06, $10.90, and this was $18. So that's all they need just to repair those holes in your bumper. Let's get started. Break off. So what we pretty much did is sand him down with this sander here. Sand on the area, put a piece of paper underneath, just glue it on, and then we're going to use the plastic well. You can pretty much pick this up at Walmart for around $5 and some change. The grip is pretty tight. I'm going to squeeze both, mix it, and then just pour it in. And you know, you just need a little guide so it doesn't go over. Try to get it as much, you know, as close right there. Boom, it run underneath, grab, it grabs. After around 15 minutes it dry, then I can just sand off the excessive amount that's not needed. And so there it is, applied. And tomorrow I do the sanding, neat up everything. I'll definitely show you guys the finishing work
tomorrow.
Both sides complete. Just need to spray it. It's done. It's done still.
Many months later.
After days of waiting, I finally got the parts that I need, so I can put them on the car. I've been waiting for days. Oh my god, I've been waiting for days. They look pretty good. Yeah, they look pretty good. Now that this side is finished and the back pieces are put on the support, I'm gonna just put on the support on this side. So here's the finishing work. It's finally flushed. Looks way better than how it was before. Looks way better. Definitely. The only thing left for me to do right now is take it into the shop. Get it buffed, clear coat, you know, just to take out the scratches, because I put the bumper down somewhere and I mean, it just, you see what happened. So to change these rims, I have a nice set of 18s, 225, 225, 35, 80. I think that's what I'm wearing. My tire series. My rims are dope, I'm not even gonna lie. Time to get them coilovers. I have a few more videos coming just to complete the look. But for now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm telling you guys, you could pretty much do things on your own. You don't need to spend a whole lot of money. It takes only time. I mean, I've never done it before, but it wasn't hard. It's not rocket science. It's just patience, watch a few videos and get the right tools, and that's it. You're good to go.